Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity, this is live price prediction of Axie Infinity, my brother. But please, holder, don't do any mistake to you are lost now. In those days, the condition is very critical and people are starting selling, and definitely this is very huge mistake. So I will notify you to don't do any mistake and please be safe from the loss and do this what I told you. I will give you 100% guarantee. You will never lose and you will get a very good profit. So my brother, let's start the live price prediction. But kindly, if you are new to my channel, just only subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, this time absolutely the condition is very critical because my brother, as you can see here, just an only minus 2.27%. They are lost now, just an only in very short time. But don't worry, my brothers. To after a week, absolutely they will take a very huge jump now because definitely, my friend, when a coin will fails down, so therefore after a fails, they will take a very huge jump. So thanks for watching, my viewers, my subscriber. I hope in upcoming days we all get a very good profit. But please, if you are in my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.